Welcome to a productive morning routine, which is what this vlog is supposed to be about. But guess who woke up late? Me. You know, for someone who is attempting to be that girl, I am not that girl. When I mean I am not, I am not. Anyways, I woke up very late today, and since I woke up, I've been on my bed and on my phone as well, which is something I said I wouldn't do, but a phone call woke me up. So I don't know, I just got into that bad habit of, pressing my phone. But the most important thing is that we are up, and regardless of the time, I am still going to do everything on my morning to-do list. So the first thing on my to-do list is meditation and drink a glass of water. I'm going to do that right now, and the next thing is supposed to be Bible study, but I think I want to do my workout and shower before I get into my Bible study and journaling. The weather is so hot, and I don't think sitting down on this bed without having a shower is what I need. Plus today is the last day of my period and I'm so hot, guys. So let's just get into it without yapping too much, okay? There's something I'm so bad at is drinking water. Like, water tastes like poison to my tongue. I only drink water when I'm eating. I need to change that habit, guys. I really need to change it. So I found out that if I put my water in a bottle, or if it's just in something other than the original packaging, I tend to manage to drink it a bit. I don't think I can drink anymore. I might just throw up. So I'm going to pick this Be Present meditation. It's for 10 minutes, so I'm going to do that. I feel like I'm really distracted and I could use something that will make me concentrate. Okay, so let's do that. You guys, I just finished. I've never finished a meditation before. I always get distracted, but today I tried to really concentrate, and I finished it. I feel so calm. I feel like I want to sleep. That's just how I feel right now, but I know that I can't sleep. For today's gym fit, I'm going to be wearing one from my brand, of course. I think I've shown you guys this one before. In subsequent vlogs, you're going to see the rest, okay? And I think I've actually shown you. And good news, guys, we've sold out on this particular set, and I'm so happy about that. The other set is also sold out. I have just 2 pieces left. Basically, from my first drop, I have 3 pieces left from 22 pieces, and I'm really excited. I've also ordered my next drop. Hopefully it comes soon. With this hantavirus thing that is going on right now, I don't even know. I just hope they contain that shit really quickly, because we can't afford another lockdown, guys. I really don't want that to happen. I just hope they contain it.
Mistake, I'm an actor. You walked in and everything faded to black. And let you see, had to back on. Why you still digging? Why you picking under my hood? Time they pass, but I still see your face in flashes. Why you haunt my dreams won't burn me into ashes? See the way I need ya.
I woke up with a headache today. This workout is kind of increasing it, but I feel a little bit better. And I think this band I have on is also contributing. I'm going to stop my workout here. I've done 3 routines and 3 sets each. I think I've tried. I wanted to do abs, but guys, my head is aching like mad. So I want to just go take a shower now. NEPA finally decided to bring the light. I'm so happy, like I'm so excited that they brought back this light. Now I can turn on my AC and do my skincare in peace. Ooh, yeah. I really think God is on my side for bringing this light, to be honest. Filming with generator is not convenient at all. I want to quickly take off the glue on my wig or on my lace. I don't even know what's happening here. I just wanted to put back this hair on my head for the purpose of this vlog, just so I look good a bit. I already removed it yesterday. I just put it back on this morning, and after this vlog, I'm taking it the hell out. I don't know how the girl is doing. I just hope my mic is on. I wanted to try avocado today, but the one I got, I don't think is ripe. How do you know when it's ripe? Is it supposed to be very soft? I don't even know at this point. I'll check it. If it's not ripe, I will just, have my eggs like that without the avocado. Guys, you won't believe the last time I used it. I put it on my face with this stuff. I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. I didn't know I was supposed to remove it. I might still be stupid because I still don't know if I'm supposed to remove it or not. I'm just getting into this sheet marks thing. I got a bunch for my birthday gift. My birthday was very quiet. That's why I didn't vlog it or say anything about it. It has passed. It was April 20th. I'm just going to let this sit while I do the other part of my skincare. You guys, I got a new tattoo. I don't think I vlogged that, but this is it. It's so cute. I love it. I don't know if I've said it in my last vlog. I feel like I've said it, but anyways, I'm obsessed. I love it. Let me know which of my tattoos is your favorite. This is going to be my outfit of the day. I think this has been sitting on my face for a while, so let's complete my skincare. I don't even know if putting this hair back on my head was a good idea. I should have just worn a regular wig. Got this hair, I didn't really know much about hairs, And when I was buying it, I thought it was bone straight. I didn't know it was a factory wig. And I'm so pissed because I brush this hair like 1 million times a day. It tangles a lot and it's so annoying. Like when I mean annoying, it is very annoying. But I like the hair, so the hair is beautiful. It's just that the rate at which it tangles is a lot. When I mean a lot, guys. So I'm going to take it down after this video. One thing I would like to be doing is looking good at home. Honestly, I don't mind a little 5 minutes makeup just to stay at home. But Nigeria is not the place for that, except you have 24 hours electricity. You will not like it. Imagine doing your makeup and there's no lights and you're at home. Sometimes even doing my skincare is a struggle because I feel like I'm just going to be sweating all day. So instead, I just like to carry my bare face. But I really want to, be that girl and always look good, always look put together. I always look homeless when I'm at home, to be honest. I want that to change because they say if you look good, you feel good, and I want to feel good all the time. Today, I decided to do a little lip liner before I put on my gloss, not just slap on a gloss there, one step at a time. I'm also taking a break from lash extensions because I feel like I've lost all my lashes. I want to give it time to grow back. Do you know that if I can wake up every day and do this thing I'm doing right now every day, and I do it for the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, my life will change a bit rather than me just lying down, moping all day on the bed. I just want to take it easy on myself and make sure that each day I do something productive. It doesn't have to be something big. Just move, just do something, like little things to make you, feel good that you've done something. I think that is what I want to achieve with this morning routine that I created for myself. I also created a night routine, which is something that will make me want to stand up because I have something I should do. So I really like the way I set the morning routine. It's not overwhelming. Let's go make breakfast, or rather it is lunch because it's almost 2 p.m. You guys, this is what the avocado looks like. I don't know, is it supposed to be very soft? I'm going to check online now, but if I check and it's not ripe, I'm just going to eat that egg with this apple. Let's just
my office ask works, I really definitely need a number on choosing this ask work. This ask work is massive. See, what's happening? What's this?
That's the thing.
No, that's not the thing. Okay, let's do it.
They just took the light now. I am so sad, like very, very sad. I'm just going to sit down here, sip my tea. You guys, they took the light, so I had to put on the Jane. I'm sorry if that light is shaking. Anytime my gen is on, that light shakes. I don't know why. I started reading New Testament. I don't know the best way to study the Bible. I'm just trying to build my relationship with God. So I feel like I should just start from Matthew. I just want to continue. Once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to journal a bit, just pour in my thoughts. That is what my morning routine is supposed to be. Once I'm done with that, I need to get to my project. My product management class is almost over. So they give us a task, which is what I want to work on tonight, edit this video, and that's it for today basically. So let's just get into it, okay? It's not a good thing not to do your dishes after I use them. My problem is once I leave them, it will be there for days. I want to stop that habit of keeping my dishes for days and my kitchen being in a mess every single time. I want it to always be clean. So this is my first step to doing that, which is cleaning after myself. So this video is basically to encourage you. If you're like me and you don't have a structure, try to create a very simple routine for yourself and try to see if you can follow it through every single day and keep adding more things to your routine one day at a time, okay? Don't pack too much so you don't get burnt out. All right, if you've stayed till this point, make sure you drop a yellow heart in the comment section. You know how we do it here. Right now I'm just going to start working and I'll just call it a day after I'm done with all the work I have to do. I'm going to be uploading by 4 p.m. now. Let me know which one you guys prefer, 4 p.m. or 6 p.m. Hopefully they bring the lights back soon. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.